What's up to all those alone in the zone? It's the one that's wilding with the outline and John Eli Lopez back again on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today we'll be covering 5 keys to properly doing wrinkles. And that's why any comment, feedback is appreciated. I will move on to more materials, but today we'll be only covering cotton, something soft and light. If you would like to follow along, all you would need right now is a paper, pencil, and eraser. Okay, so let's get started. Key number 1 is understanding what is under the garment. I'll be starting with a torso, a male torso. And you need to understand what lies under the garment so you can get a direction of how you want the garment to flow. So as far as the torso is concerned, we're just going to simplify it. You have the neck, the chest area, the abdominal, the deltoids, your bicep, and your forearms, along with your shoulders. So the garment we'll be doing today is a shirt. Soft cotton shirt, and that leads us into key number 2, the garment itself. What type of garment is it? The lighter the garment, the more wrinkles will be shown. The heavier the garment, the thicker is the less wrinkles. So number 3 would be the direction. And for the example I'm showing you here, if you look on the left side, he is calm, no movement, but there's still wrinkles shown, right? And on the right side, the arm is protruding upward. So the wrinkles would follow that direction. So I want you to understand that concept right there. And that leads us into key number 4 would be the joints. Where does one part of the object connect with another? As far as the arms connecting with the chest, the lower part of the arm separated by the elbow, those are the joints where the pieces meet up. And naturally, that is where wrinkles will be shown. And key number 5 would be stretched. So even though the arm is aiming up, it is stretched out. So pay attention to the bottom of the shirt. The shirt is raised up, leading in that direction. So as long as you keep these 5 keys in mind, you'll be able to do any kind of wrinkles. You just need to pay attention as you are moving along with your rendering. And I'm going to show you how these 5 keys come into play with the legs. You pay attention to the size of the person you're doing, right? Or the size of the object. But, we're doing a person. So the size of the thighs, the thigh line, the groin. The thigh line is where the thigh and the groin meet. There definitely would be wrinkles at that point. The knees, the calves, and the ankles is the bottom of the leg. So most definitely there will be wrinkles where the pants you're wearing reaches the top of the foot. Unless you are wearing pants that's raised up, high waters as they used to call it, right? Then it would not reach the top of the foot or the bottom of the ankle. So as you see, I have one leg raised. That leg is extended. It's stretching. The arrows are to show you the direction of the wrinkles. The wrinkles should follow the direction of the object. If it's flowing down, the wrinkle should flow down. If it's to the right, if it's aiming up, the wrinkle should follow the flow of that object. And I'm just going to give you guys one more example as far as a protruding object under the garment. And the example I'm using is a bent arm, an elbow. Now, if you watch, the elbow is kind of foreshortened. It's aiming at us, the viewer. right? The wrinkles flow outward from the elbow itself in all directions. So whatever it is protruding from under the garment, make sure you isolate that area, and the wrinkles should flow away from that area. So make sure you pay attention to these 5 keys as you are trying to render wrinkles, because it is very tricky. All right, and there you have it. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, drop an elbow on that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment. Did I leave anything out? Is there something you can suggest? Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.